we'll guide you through how to fix ChatGPT frozen issues. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. Sometimes, simply refreshing the page can solve minor freezing issues. So try hitting the refresh button or pressing F5 on your keyboard to reload the page. If that doesn't work, the issue might be with your internet connection. Check if your connection is stable by trying to load another website, or switching to a different network if possible. If the problem persists, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can often resolve stuck scripts or loading problems. To do this, open your browser settings, usually found in the top right corner, and look for privacy or security options. There, you'll find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cache and cookies, then clear the data. Now, go back to ChatGPT and try again. Another thing to consider is disabling any browser extensions that might interfere with the site. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy protectors can sometimes cause conflicts. You can disable extensions by going into your browser's extension settings and toggling them off temporarily. After doing so, refresh the ChatGPT page. If you're still facing issues, try using an incognito or private browsing window. This mode disables extensions and uses default settings, which can help pinpoint the issue. Finally, make sure your browser is up to date, as older versions might not support the latest web technologies used by ChatGPT. You can check for updates in your browser's Help or About section. If none of these solutions work, it might be a temporary issue on ChatGPT's end, and you may need to wait a bit or contact their support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.